Here's how you can fix Roblox too many attempts. First, open your browser settings. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, open Privacy and Security and choose Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Select browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. Before clearing your cookies, make sure you know your Roblox login details because you may be signed out of your accounts. Click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. Then, completely close your browser and reopen it. Try signing into Roblox again and check whether the error has disappeared. If you're still seeing the message, restart your computer. Once your computer starts again, open Roblox and try logging in. You can also try signing in from another browser or network if the problem continues. If none of these steps work, the restriction may be temporary, and you'll need to wait before attempting another login. That's all for this video. Thanks.